Tired of squeaky bed? That little creak every time you move. It doesn't fully wake you up, but it pulls you out of deep sleep, just enough. Most people blame the mattress. Honestly, I did too at first, but a lot of the time, it's the frame underneath. So why do some beds stay quiet for years, while others start falling apart within a year? And why does solid wood bed frame show up everywhere? Is it just the look? Or is there something else going on here? A well-built wood bed frame does more than just look good. You feel the difference every single night. We're talking about durability, comfort, and how much time you spend cleaning. Those differences add up over time. So let's walk through this the way it actually shows up in daily life, not the brochure version. Let's start with your bedroom environment. Some bed frames are just harder to live with. Upholstered frames trap dust, dander, and moisture. Not all at once, but it builds up slowly. And eventually, you notice. Wood works differently. Dust stays on the surface, not inside. So cleaning is easier. Most days, a quick wipe is all you need. And yeah, you notice that pretty quickly. But here's the part most people miss. What your bed is made of affects the air you breathe. A lot of budget bed frames use engineered wood, particle board, MDF. You've seen these names. They're basically wood particles mixed with glue. Over time, those adhesives can release formaldehyde. Usually small amounts, but not zero. If you care about indoor air, this matters. A solid wood frame works differently. It's real wood, not glue and sawdust, and often comes with low VOC finishes. So there's less glue-heavy material in your space overall. That usually means slightly cleaner air. Let's go back to that noise. Why do beds actually start squeaking? It almost always comes down to structure and how the frame holds up over time. Then things shift when you move. Cheaper frames loosen, small gaps form. Then things shift when you move. That creates friction, and friction creates sound. That's the creak you hear at AM. Material matters just as much. Not all wood is the same. Hardwood is denser. Species like acacia or rubber would handle dents and wear much better. That density helps the frame stay stable year after year. Now here's the key difference between a cheap frame and a well-built one. Cheaper frames rely on screws. But screws were never designed for constant vertical pressure. Every time you sit or move, that pressure works them loose. That's where the noise comes from. Good joinery handles this differently. Instead of resisting the force, It locks into it. Here's something most other materials can't do. Wood can actually be fixed. Minor scratches, light sanding, a fresh finish. And most of the time you can barely tell it was there. Try that with MDF. It doesn't recover, it just breaks down. Bent metal? Also hard to fix cleanly. It never looks quite right. So wood lasts longer in practice, not just in theory. Wood also has long-term visual value. It doesn't really go out of style. It just ages, and honestly, it usually looks better over time. Every piece has its own grain and tone. No two frames are exactly the same. It adds depth without taking over the room. It just sits there quietly. There's also the physical feel. Metal feels cold and industrial. Plastic feels cheap. Wood feels warmer, more grounded. It doesn't pull heat away from you the way metal does, so it won't feel ice cold in the winter. That's a small thing, but you notice it. Now, you might be thinking, isn't solid wood more expensive? Yeah, upfront it usually is. But here's what people forget to calculate: the long-term cost. A cheap bed frame might save you $300 today. But if it falls apart in a few years, you're going to buy another one. Maybe two. Add those up, and you've usually spent more. A solid wood frame costs more upfront. But if it lasts 10, 15, even 20 years, over time, it's actually cheaper. That's not opinion, that's just math. So is a solid wood bed frame worth it? For a lot of people, yeah, I'd say so. You get durability, less noise, plus a material that actually lasts. It's not just about how it looks. And honestly, that's what you end up caring about night after night.